Hey guys, this is Mama Made. This is my giant couponing haul for the week of February the 5th through the 11th, 2021. I do shop at Giant. A lot of times Stop and Shop at Martin's. We have the same deals. Not always though. Sometimes we'll have deals one week and you'll have them the next, or maybe you had some of these last week. I just like to include you guys to give you guys some deal ideas because we are sister stores. Breakdown is in the description box below. Let's go ahead and get started. First thing off, I wanted to let you know, this is the 5-point freebie. I do post it on my Instagram. If you want to follow me over there, you can. It's mama_made_couponer. So anyway, this is 5 points. Just so you know, I redeemed in store. I've never had problems with this before. I'll redeem my points in the store, and then when I check out, it comes off. Well, it didn't do that this time, and I mean, it was like 20 minutes, a good 20 minutes probably, maybe even, yeah, probably like 20 minutes, and it didn't come off at the register. So these were 75 points, so 75 cents. This was $1.50 or 150 points, and then this was only 5 points. None of it came off. I had to go to customer service, and she said, well, did you just do that today? And I said, yeah. She's like, well, you have to do that a day ahead of time. So I've never had issues with that before, but just a warning for you, you might want to just do it at home. I kind of didn't want to because I don't want to waste points if the store was out of stock. But anyway, just a warning for you. It's a good deal as long as it comes off. They did give me my money back that I paid for it, so I'm okay with that. Okay, guys, awesome deals. Now, I did these in 3 separate transactions. It's spend $15. Save $8 instantly. That's more than 50% savings right there. And then you can add in your coupons. So really great. There's so many things to choose from. Most of them are snacky items because of Super Bowl. But anyway, these are just the scenarios I did. You can mix and match, come up with your own scenarios. If you have a great scenario, totally share down below. So me and other people can get an idea. I may go back Sunday because that's a really good deal. But anyway, I did separate transactions because sometimes that'll get funny and it's only a limit of 1 per transaction. I've heard of people doing 2 transactions and getting the amount off double, but I don't do that. I separate it, but you know what? Do what you want. Okay, so this deal right here, I just did all Kraft cheese. Again, you can mix and match and come up with your own scenarios, and it'll work out great for you. So 5 of the Kraft American cheese is $3. There's 50 cents on a Ibotta, limit of 5, so you get back $2.50. Instant savings came off just fine for all 3 scenarios. $4.50 or 90 cents a piece. And my toddler loves this. She'll just say, can I have a piece of big square cheese? So anyway, actually she's not even a toddler anymore. It's so sad. But anyway, guys, 90 cents for Kraft cheese is a pretty good deal. This deal here, 2 bags of Goldfish. $2 a piece. The finish was $6.99. The Heinz ketchup, that's a big one, at $3. And then this Chichi's tortilla was $1.50. No coupons on anything but the finish. There was a $1 load-to card on that. Ibotta does have $1.50 back. It was on a select count and it did not work on this. It said 28 count, I think. But anyway, I grabbed this because I just thought this would be more for my money in the long run. So $15.49 was the total cost of everything, minus the $1 digital coupon. So it would have been $14.49. And then minus the $8 instant savings. So I paid $6.49 or $1.30 a piece. But when you think about the cost of that finish, that is a pretty decent deal. So anyway, that was my most expensive transaction, but I only run my dishwasher once a week. So that will last me quite a while, and I was down to just a few little tablets left, and I was starting to get worried. Okay, guys, so here's another snack and chip deal. Pringles are $1.50 a piece. I had $1 off of 2 digital, as well as a 50 cent off of 1 digital. The Cape Cod chips were $3 a piece. I had $1 off of 2 load-to card, and the Goldfish were $2 a piece. So apparently this instant savings is before digital coupons. Sometimes it's after. That's what they say at customer service if it doesn't work. But I honestly think when they don't work, it's because something wasn't coded right for it to come off. So anyway, total price for this transaction was $16, minus $2.50 in digital coupons, minus the $8 instant savings was $5.50, or 69 cents a piece. Okay, guys, we are getting through this stuff. I'm trying to go as quick as I can. The oil is $1.89 minus $1. I had a best coupon off any Giant brand oil, so I paid 89 cents for that, which is really good because I actually had that on my Aldi list. But if you can beat Aldi prices, definitely do that if you can. Okay, so this little Suave deodorant, it's $1.99 regular price. This does track on the Fetch, spend 15, get back 5. So I got a little bit of tracking there for that. I did get $1 off any Suave deodorant. That was the best coupon. Those are store coupons. You can totally stack them with the manufacturer. And I also had a 50-cent off from the Retail Me Not. I think it was the 124. So that doubled, just making that completely free. This Skippy Squeeze was $2.79 regular price. There's a $1 digital coupon. And then I bought it giving back $1.99. I think that expires in like 2, maybe 3 days. So that was just a little 20-cent moneymaker. If I didn't say the Tasty Cakes were $2, I can't remember if I said or not. I have a little visitor over here beside me that he was shaking the table if you saw everything going a little crazy. Okay, so Arm & Hammer is $1.99. Definitely, if you see these 25% more bottles, grab those. You'll get a little bit more for your money. So I stocked up for my mother-in-law. There is a $1 digital coupon off Arm & Hammer. I also grabbed one of these scents. So $1 digital, and then $1 digital for the scent one. And then I also had $1 printable for this one. And then I had a 75-cent off pealie. It is only for Clean and Simple. Now, I haven't tried it on the other brands. This one doesn't have it. So I had some pealies from quite a while back. They expire in about a month or two. So that does double. So this one would only be a cost of 49 cents. And these are just a cost of 99 cents. These are actually going to go in my Christmas boxes next year. Just something extra and something different for them to try out. Okay, guys. So I think that is it. If I go back Sunday and do a different transaction, I don't know if I'm going to have time to share it. But again, please share your scenarios of what you're doing for this instant savings, because it is just an amazing deal. I can't promote that enough, guys. You totally come up with your own scenarios, products that you want, and have fun with it. All right, guys, have a great weekend, and I will see you in my next video.